Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video.
Okay.
Today I'm going to talk about Allie and Trent, or Trent and Allie as they call it on YouTube. And I've made several videos about them in the last few series of videos, so yeah, go watch them. It's all about the incident which now has been deleted on the channel, where Allie said that they got COVID-19 and that their child was got COVID too, and that she thinks they got it from Brendan, which is Trent's childhood friend who helps them with the house. And people, to make it short, some people went mad and started a shitstorm because they think that they could have handled it better and not blamed Brendan. And some think that she played it well and just told what happened, and people should relax. So that's the case in a nutshell. But first, I bought this Celsius Tropical Trust. I have never tried it before. And pardon my black nails because I was just gardening for some tomatoes, but a very tropical scent, sugar free. Pineapple, strawberry and lime. Wow. Dude, this is good. But 200 milligrams of caffeine, that's a lot. Anyways. Alright. Trent and Allie. I think that Trent and Allie are geniuses. Why, you might ask? Because by making such a statement, I'm not saying they did it on purpose, but I think they played it very well. And if they did it on purpose, they are double geniuses. They have started a shitstorm which turned some of their community and others who didn't like them anyway to hate them in the comments. Then there are super loyal fans are supporting them. That creates a lot of comments on the videos, of course, and that tells, and views, of course, and that tells the YouTube algorithm, which is the programmed way to tell if a video is good, that there's a lot of activity on the video, and that is something the YouTube algorithm likes. Activity. People that write comments, and to some extent likes and dislikes, really doesn't matter if it's a like or a dislike, and people who subs, and people who watches all the video. And what happens when you go to a video to watch it? You watch some of it, of course, then you might feel that you have to comment. If you write a comment, the video will still play along and not even more watch time. Then when you have written your comment or posted it, you'll go back to your normal everyday life, and then maybe I or someone else will come and comment on your comment, and that means that you might feel that you need to comment on my comment. Then you go into the video and comment, and what happens? The video will play and they'll get even more watch time. So when all the people who supported them and hate on them comments, then they'll get more watch time, they'll get more dislikes, they'll get more likes, they'll get more comments, they'll get a lot more traction in the algorithm, and that means, oh, this new t-shirt is too small, it's too, yeah! Alright. Alright. Not sponsored. Not sponsored. So, if this was on purpose, by stating that Brennan made a child sick, then it was well played. They're geniuses, double geniuses, and by the way that they played it, it was super great, because they made me and others, creators like me, to make videos about them. They made people on my channel argue with each other in the comment section, which I know made several of those people to click on Trent and Allie's video once more and watch it even more, give them more watch time. So yeah, Trent and Allie are geniuses, and it's really hard. I know that those of you who love Trent and Allie like I do, I love them. You support them, and you don't see anything wrong with what they did, and I do neither. I don't. But to the haters and to the people who doesn't like Trent and Allie, it's really a blow to the fist, because they can't do anything about it. The more they hate on Trent and Allie, the more likes, the more comments, the more view Trent and Allie will get, and the more subs they will get, the more they will grow, the more they will earn in AdSense. So all you hate out there towards Trent and Allie will make Trent and Allie more success and more money and more love from their community and from other creators like me and the rest of us. So yeah, got a new hat too. What to think about my hat? Comment down in the comment section, and let me know what you think about how Trent and Allie handle it all. I know some of you don't like it, that's fair play, as some of you do, but let me know down in the comment section if you don't like how they handle it, how should they have handled it, because what I didn't see the video, I was told about the video later, so I can't be wrong, but if she said, I was told she said that the child got sick, they got sick because of Brennan was sick with COVID, and he accidentally infected them with COVID. That happens. How would you have said that to your community? Would you have said anything at all and kept it a secret, or would you have said it? And how would you have said it? Or maybe would you have taken Brendan on in the same video when you told the community, so you didn't like jump in the bag, even though Brendan didn't have anything against it. Comment down in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and this is an awful nice. I don't know if it's available in the US, but here in Sweden we have Celsius, and it's not the degrees Celsius, that the brand Celsius, Tropical Trust, pineapple, strawberry and lime, and I think that's enough free commercial for them. But Celsius, if you watch it out there, I really like your stuff, so you're welcome to send me a 6-pack or something. Do you think I should cut it into... Fuck! It's sort of small. Should not chest hair, not muscles. Hate to tight t-shirts. God damn it! I know I'm fat, but you don't need to show it for everyone.